Are you looking for a beautiful pair of socks that are going to keep your feet toasty warm, but are not going to cause them to get all stinky and sweaty? I'm Gina with WTI, and I'm extremely picky about what kind of socks that I wear. My feet are always cold, and so when I started wearing these socks from Qoza, they were the perfect answer. I was so stoked that these are made from lambswool, and because of that, they're breathable. They keep my feet really warm, but also they're so soft. They're not scratchy at all. These can be machine washed on the gentle cycle, and then go ahead and just line dry them to keep them looking their best for a longer amount of time. These are one size. I wear a size 7.5. I would say that these fit a little bit on the loose side, but not so much that they're falling off my foot. Even though there are seams on the inside, I can't even feel them. I think the snowflake design on these are just adorable. These are extremely budget friendly, especially considering the quality. I think you're going to be so pleased with them, and that's my point of view.